In this lesson, we will explore strategies for reducing stockouts and overstocks, two of the most common and costly challenges in inventory management. Both stockouts and overstocks disrupt business operations, affect customer satisfaction, and impact profitability. Achieving the right balance requires data-driven decision-making, accurate forecasting, and efficient inventory control systems. Let's start with stockouts. A stockout occurs when inventory levels are insufficient to meet customer demand. This can result in lost sales, damaged customer relationships, and even long-term brand erosion. Stockouts often stem from inaccurate demand forecasting, delayed supplier deliveries, poor communication between departments, or lack of visibility into real-time inventory data. To prevent stockouts, businesses must improve demand forecasting accuracy. This involves analyzing historical sales data, market trends, and seasonality. Advanced forecasting models powered by AI and machine learning can identify demand patterns and predict fluctuations more effectively than traditional methods. Regularly reviewing forecast accuracy and adjusting models ensures that replenishment plans remain aligned with actual market conditions. Another effective strategy is maintaining appropriate safety stock. Safety stock acts as a buffer against unexpected demand spikes or supply chain delays. The optimal level of safety stock depends on factors such as demand variability, lead time, and service level targets. By calculating and adjusting safety stock scientifically, companies can reduce the risk of stockouts without over-investing in excess inventory. Supplier collaboration also plays a crucial role. Establishing strong partnerships with reliable suppliers ensures timely replenishment and reduces lead time variability. Vendor-managed inventory (VMI) programs, where suppliers monitor and replenish stock directly, can further improve responsiveness and reduce the likelihood of shortages. Now let's discuss overstocks. Overstocking occurs when inventory levels exceed actual demand. This ties up capital, increases carrying costs, and raises the risk of obsolescence or spoilage. Overstocking often results from inaccurate forecasts, overordering, or lack of real-time visibility into inventory and sales data. Reducing overstocks begins with improving demand planning accuracy, the same foundation used to prevent stockouts. Companies should use data analytics to identify slow-moving or excess stock early and take corrective action, such as offering promotions or adjusting order quantities. Implementing just-in-time (JIT) principles can also help maintain lean inventory levels while meeting demand efficiently. ABC analysis is another valuable tool. By categorizing inventory into A, B, and C items based on value and turnover, businesses can apply different control policies. High-value A items require tight monitoring and frequent reviews, while lower-value C items can be managed with less intensive oversight. This targeted approach prevents overstocking across the entire product range. Automation and real-time inventory visibility are key enablers in reducing both stockouts and overstocks. Integrated ERP and inventory management systems track sales, replenishments, and stock movements continuously. Automated reorder alerts, combined with dynamic safety stock calculations, ensure timely replenishment without excess accumulation. IoT sensors and RFID technology further enhance accuracy by providing instant updates on stock levels across warehouses and retail locations. Regular inventory audits and cycle counting also help identify discrepancies early. By reconciling physical and system records, companies can prevent hidden shortages or unnoticed excess stock from skewing future decisions. In summary, reducing stockouts and overstocks requires a proactive, data-driven approach. Businesses must blend accurate forecasting, dynamic safety stock management, supplier collaboration, and technology integration. By finding the balance between availability and efficiency, organizations can minimize costs, maximize customer satisfaction, and maintain a lean, responsive inventory system that supports sustainable growth.